cumulative review, question 6, as long as the questions aren't scrambled. So this is showing us all these trees in the Louisiana Purchase, and these are oak trees. So we kind of want to just take a second to make sure we understand what this is showing. There's 4 trees of, the tree of diameter 4, there's 2 of those. That makes up 0.005% of our total sample. That's what relative frequency is telling you. What's the percent of this tree in this sample? Cumulative, you're starting to add these. So there's 2 trees, right, of 4. There's 5 trees that are 5 inches, and they're just adding these up. So this is telling you how many. And then cumulative relative frequency is adding these up. So there's this is telling you the percentile. So this is going to be what we really need here. It says an outlier is defined as more than, this is going to be the very key to this question, is more than 1.5 is the interquartile range, below the lower quartile, and more than 1.5 the upper quartile. According to this definition, what is the smallest tree that is an outlier? All right, so to find the interquartile range, I'm going to need the first quartile and the third quartile, right? IQR is this quartile 3 minus quartile 1, and I don't see exactly 25th percentile. It's occurring someplace between the 19th and the 31st. And if I come over here and look, there's 12 trees that are 9, and there's 53 trees that are 10, and so I'm just going to kind of I think it's going to work out okay. I think I could have done this either way using 9 or 10, but I'm pretty sure that 19 is kind of low for these 12, so I'm going to get into 10, and 10 is so many of the trees. So that remember, this is a spot, so I'm pretty sure that this is going to occur in 10. And I have the same issue here. I have the 73rd percentile to the 84th, but then again, there's only 2 of these, so I can almost guarantee, I know for certain that 18, the 75th percentile, is going to occur for 18. So now I find the interquartile range. 18 minus 10 is 8. Multiply that by 1.5, I get 12. And then I start to say, okay, I didn't write this down, but I can. So from that lower point, the lower estimate was 10, right? So 10 minus 12 equals a -2. There's no trees of -2 diameter. That doesn't make any sense. And then if I do it from the high end, 18 plus 12 equals 30. And the catch on this is to click on 30, because that's the number you got when you did it. But I remember I said the key is more than 1.5. 30 is exactly. So if we go back and we look at this data set, there's trees of 30, and then the next tree is 34. So that is the smallest one that is outlier, and that's why 34 is the answer. Good question. Made you think a lot.